Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Steam is installed and you're logged in. Once done, quit Steam fully and run the client as administrator to rule out permission issues. Next, open the game's properties in Steam, choose local files, and run Verify Integrity of Game Files. This fixes missing or corrupted Steamworks binaries. While verification runs, make sure antivirus or overlay apps aren't blocking DLL access, because they often interfere with the Steam API initialization process. Once file verification finishes, focus on dependencies. Repair or reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables for both x86 and x64, because the Steam API relies on these runtimes. Then update DirectX, Net, and your GPU drivers to remove runtime mismatches. If the error persists, check for the Steam API. DLL in the game folder and replace it with the correct architecture build matching the game. Using a 32-bit DLL for a 64-bit game causes immediate initialization failure. Make sure file permissions allow execution. To finalize, reinstall the game if earlier steps failed, but first backup saves. Reinstalling ensures all Steamworks binaries are freshly deployed. After reinstall, launch Steam normally and enable the Steam overlay if the game requires it for API hooks. If problems continue, test the game on a different PC or a clean Steam account to determine if the issue is machine-specific. One troubleshooting tip: check Windows Event Viewer for application errors and share that exact error message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.